Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to stop Amazon email notifications. If you're tired of receiving constant promotional emails or seller updates from Amazon, this quick tutorial will help you take control of your inbox and reduce email clutter. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in successfully, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where we can begin adjusting your notification settings. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a menu labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with various account management choices. From this menu, click on Account to access your main account settings page. Once you're on the account page, you'll need to scroll down through the various sections available. Keep scrolling until you locate Communication Preferences. This is where Amazon stores all your email and notification settings, giving you full control over what communications you receive. Click on Communication Preferences to open this section. Now that you're in the Communication Preferences area, look for an option called Seller Communications. This setting controls whether you receive emails from third-party sellers on Amazon, which is often the source of most notification emails. Right beside Seller Communications, you'll see an Edit button. Click on it to modify these settings. A new window or section will appear showing you the current notification preferences for seller communications. Here you'll see a checkbox next to email, which is likely currently checked, meaning you're receiving these notifications. Simply uncheck the box beside email to disable these notifications. This action tells Amazon that you no longer want to receive seller communication emails in your inbox. After unchecking the box, look for the Update button at the bottom of this section and click it. This saves your new preferences and ensures that the changes take effect immediately. Your settings are now updated, and you should stop receiving those unwanted Amazon email notifications from sellers going forward. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled Amazon email notifications, giving you a quieter, more manageable inbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.